Akshay and welcome back to another new video, and today's video is all about buying a new riding jacket. Well, I'm planning for one more ride which is of 2 or 3 days, which will be from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. So stay tuned for that. Well, it will be coming very soon. For that, I'm planning to have a riding jacket. This ride will be the longest of all, will be the longest when compared to all of the previous rides. So I thought of let's be more safe and then start the journey. So stay tuned, let's head out and see which jacket we can buy. See you on road. So finally hit the road now. फाइनली आ गया. Well, the riding jacket has come, and this is Rynox Urban, which costed me around 7,350. Well, this is, what to say, this is very, really very stiff. Oh. Yeah. Well, I'm ready for the Tamil Nadu ride now. But till then,